Let me consider the sodium salt of acid. So this is a carboxylic acid. Usually carboxylic acid is represented by RCOOH. This is called carboxylic acid, right? Are you following? Yes. Right. So, Hmm. for the oxidation reduction thing, what was the last thing you would after electrons? Loss of electron means you can consider, for example, iron becomes iron 2 plus. It becomes by the loss of two electrons, right? This is a process called rusting. So rusting is nothing but oxidation, is it not? So iron becomes iron 2 plus. So in that case, we call it oxidation. Why? Because there is a loss of oxidation. You can simply remember this by Leo. Call it Leo. Leo means loss of electron is oxidation. Remember like this. Okay. And similarly, that is gain of electron. Gain of electron is reduction. So you can mention like this. So Leo Gar. Okay. Yeah, good evening. So Leo-Gar, loss of electron is oxidation, gain of electron is reduction. So here the electron is lost, and that's why iron becomes iron 2 plus. You can see iron in the neutral form, and that becomes a 2 plus means there is an increase of oxidation number. And that is why I wrote that loss of electron is oxidation. Do you understand? And what about reduction? Gain of electron. That is the reversal one. Okay. So, so I think that aspect is over. Now we are discussing question number six. So in the question number six, we have what is the question here? Sodium salt of which acid? Sodium salt of which acid means almost all organic acids are of this combination RCOOH, where R represents CH3, C2H5, etc. Right? So they have asked which acid because you have got plenty of acids starting from HCOH. What is this? Formic acid, right? And what about the next acid? CH3COOH, acetic acid, that is ethanoic acid. Next acid, propanoic acid, that is CH3, CH2, COOH. This is called propanoic acid. Now they have asked which salt of carboxylic acid. Salt of carboxylic acid means, so for example, HCOH, when it undergoes ionization, it becomes HCOO minus. What do you call it? Carboxylate. Please take down. Whatever I teach you, that is should be written, should be noted down in your notes. So carboxylate. This is called carboxylate, and this is methanoic acid. And what is called methanowate? Okay, what is this? Tell me. What do you call this? Methanol gas. No, methanowate. This is methanowate. What is this? Methanoic acid. Methanoic acid. What is that? Methanoic acid. What is this? This one? Ethanoic acid. So what is the anion formed from this? This is called anion. What is anion? CH3 CHCC minus. Okay, CH3 COO minus. What do you call it? Ethanoate. Okay, write down ethanoate. And what about this? CH3 CH2 COO minus. Hmm? Propanowate. Very good. So propanowate. Okay. And what is this? Propanoic acid, right? Propanoic acid. Now, what they have given here, the salt of any acid. Salt of any acid means, for example, HCOO minus plus Na, sodium. plus. It can combine to form HCOONA. What do you call it? Sodium methanate. Right out. What is this? Sodium methanate. Why? Because this is methanate anion. Okay. And this is sodium cation. Okay. Done. Now let me give you one more salt. Try to answer this. I have Ca2 plus and let me combine this HCOO minus. What should be the salt? What is the name of the salt? Hmm. Calcium methanate. What is the formula? HCOOCA. No, because this is single minus, this is 2 plus. You have to multiply this because there should be some electrical neutrality, right? Understand? So how you should call it HCOO twice then Ca, right? Okay. So this is called calcium methanate. Write down calcium methanate. I hope now you are thorough with this calcium methanate. Okay, now let me go back. What is asked here? That is sodium salt of which acid will be needed for the preparation of propane? And write the chemical equation. So we want propane. So it should have been started from where? If it is a propane, now listen to me. Here there is one popular reaction that is RCOONA. Write down RCOONA. When it is treated with the soda lime. Soda lime means, listen, soda lime means is a combination of NaOH and calcium oxide. So in presence of calcium oxide, this reaction takes place. Okay, right? And when you use this, what happens? Decarboxylation takes place. That is, decarboxylation means so one carboxylate anion will be removed from this. So it means, now listen to me carefully, how I am taking, that is from this. Okay. So what is this? Na2CO3, right? So the Na2CO3 will be removed. This process is called decarboxylation. When it occurs, when you take any salt and that is treated with the sodium hydroxide in presence of calcium oxide, this kind of reaction takes place. So what do you call this process? Decarboxylation. Okay. So when it takes place like this, now what you are able to get RH. R means what here? CH3. And when it combines with the H, and what is the alkane you are able to get? CH4. Do you understand? Shanvi, got it? Prisha? Okay. Right. Now listen. Now the question is, our target is to get that is CH3, CH2, CH3. Now tell me what should be the carboxylate? This is the question asked. Do you understand this? It's a very intelligent question. Where from you should start. Risha, where from we should start. See, when you are taken here, what is this? Let me consider this as CH3. Okay. So when CH3COONA is subjected to decarboxylation, you are able to get CH3H, that is CH4, methane. And how many carbon atoms are there? Two carbon atoms. And here it has resulted one carbon atom. Got it? Now Now there is a prediction. When you take two carbon, it becomes one carbon. So likewise, you are getting three carbon. Then how much carbon should be there? Six. Oi. No, so there should be 15. Let me repeat. I am getting one carbon from two carbon. I am getting three carbon from dash carbon. How many carbons? One less because the sodium carbonate is removed. Okay, four. Very good. Four. So what is the carboxylate with the four carbon atom? That is why you should have written my assignment. Still it is kept pending. I don't know why. Both of you. Sir, it will be R will be we will take CH3, CH2, CH. What do you call it? I want the name. Five. Oh, you do one thing. Tell me the first six carbon atom based carboxylic acid starting from methanoic acid. Tell me. Prisha, yes, sir. Tell me the first four members of carboxylic acid. Methanoic acid. That is carbon. Acid. Now let me count here. Carbon 1. Then carbon 1. Then ethanoic acid. Carbon 2. Propanoic acid. Carbon 3. Butanoic acid. Carbon 4. 4. Okay, you got it. So can you write down the molecular formula of butanoic acid? Tell me the butanoic acid formula. Butanoic acid will be CH3. CH3, CH2, 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 COOH. COOH. But instead of COOH, I said it is the sodium salt of carboxylic acid. I can put ND. Okay, got it now? Yes. Now go through the answer. Go through the answer. Answer given in the solution. Please go through the answer given in the solution. Is it okay? Yes. What about Shanvi? Shanvi, you got it? Or you there, Shanvi? I think she's having some. You can text at least. She's having some network issue. Yeah, she's having a network issue. You can text at least. You can reply in Telegram or in Google Meet itself. Okay. Now, see, that is, you must be quite conversant with the list of formula that I already asked you to complete it. It seems you are not yet done. If you have completed that exercise, definitely that is, it will be very easy for you. Okay. So try to complete that exercise that I have given to you as worksheet. Okay. I think I have given around 10 types of group of compounds along with the molecular formula and IUPAC name. Okay. Can you do that? When are you going to submit this? Tomorrow. Tomorrow. So positively. Okay. Right. And she asked one more question also. That is question number 9.